Hi everybody, I'm Alex, CEO of Neuralk AI, and today I want to talk about what Forbes call a $600 billion opportunity in banking and finance. And it's called Tabular Foundation Models. So for context, Tabular Foundation Models are to structure data what LLMs are to text. Just as LLM like ChatGPT will be able to generate any kind of text, a Tabular Foundation Model will ingest any kind of structured data and generate a prediction almost directly. So the benefits, they are straightforward. You don't need a specific machine learning model for each one of your use cases. You just have one Tabular Foundation Model for all your use cases. So every new use case goes to production in days instead of months. And so we're talking about churn prediction, we're talking about alpha generation, fraud detection, and this has a direct business impact. Because while your team spend like 60 to 80% of the time building, tweaking, maintaining models and data pipelines, now they can focus on delivering improvements elsewhere. And we've seen it with the Royal Bank of Canada that has developed a Tabular Foundation Model last year, and they generated $375 million in additional revenue just through better accuracy. And so today, I will demo how Neuralk can bring immediate value by having our data science agents iterate over a banking churn prediction problem. So the agent will analyze, prep, and transform the data before calling our Tabular Foundation Model to make prediction and iterate over it. So let's get started. So here, we're just interacting with some natural language prompt. We ask the agent to predict churn. So this is a classic binary classification problem where you have to predict whether a banking customer will buy a financial product or not. We have access to account information, to demographic attributes, as well as to past interaction history. And as you can see in real life, the agent will execute a complete set of analysis, removing any variability, errors that can occur when humans do repetitive tasks, meaning that no problematic features go to production. Biases, they are detected early, and everything is documented. So basically, the agent doesn't just enforce rigor, is building a permanent and auditable memory for the organization to know how decisions were made. Models and data and model understanding usually takes a lot of time, days of custom analysis. And the agent, it does it in minutes, automatically, systematically, which enable that no knowledge is lost whenever there is someone leaving the project. The agent also accumulates experience across projects and is compounding individual expertise to build an organizational memory. And as you can see, by just giving a natural language prompt, I am able to launch a complete predictive workflow from data analysis to the full evaluation protocol. But the real gain isn't just about speed. It's about redistributing the human intelligence elsewhere where it matters most. And the first and the often most painful part in any data science project is about feature engineering. So basically, how do you prepare your data, you extract signal to make a good prediction? And this is usually where the data science expertise is critical. And so the agent, it leverages Neuralk expertise to understand the semantic of features, detect patterns, and suggest transformation. But most importantly, the data scientist always remains in control and can enforce any behavior he wants on the agent. Once the features are ready, the agent will be able to select the most informative one. As you could see, he removed one of the features here, and build the predictive workflow, generate insight that can be used to better understand the data and the modeling problem. And finally, what is most important is that the agent is able to iterate. Like any data scientist will iterate on this prediction to generate new features, better insight, and build a new model that has better accuracy. Here we iterated twice, going from 71% to 73% in accuracy. And in the meantime, while processing all of that, the agent has built the complete predictive workflow ready to be put in production, deployed in production. And so here, in just a few minutes, we're able to see the agent receive raw data, analyze it, transform it, score it, build the predictive workflow, generate insight, while and iterate over it twice. While usually, take any company, it takes days to just do one iteration. Here, we observe 2 iterations in just as many minutes. So to recap, I just show you how your predictive layer could look like tomorrow. Not just a model, but the combination of a model and an agent thinking together to help your data scientist iterate faster and deliver better results. There are 3 big advantages. The first one, the cost on model deployment, maintenance, and monitoring goes down to 0. Second, your data scientist just got a 10x boost efficiency to deliver more value. And finally, Tabular Foundation Model are a new kind of architecture. Pre-trained on billions of tables, they can deliver way better results than classical machine learning approaches. Thanks to that, this is the door to opening a new opportunity, the famous $600 billion opportunity that I was talking about earlier. So if you want to know how this can be applied to your organization, how you can benefit from it, please come see us at our booth, Neuralk, in the other room. Thank you.